How to find your videos analytic on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your videos analytic on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok and here go to your profile, choose a video of your videos, and once you choose the video, click on it. Click on those three lines and you're gonna find between those options analytic. Click on it and this is your video analytic. If you didn't find this option, that's mean your TikTok account is not a professional or business account. Go to your profile, click on those three lines and click on setting and privacy and click on manage account. In here you're gonna find switch to a business account or professional account and you follow those steps. So this is it, easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.